Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to talk about why it's really important to prime your eyelids. I always show this step in all my videos and it's because I think it's definitely a very important step, so I never skip it. And in today's video I'm going to show you and teach you like how to use it and why to use it, and like the comparison if you wouldn't use an eyeshadow primer and if you would, to show you like the difference on how the effect is going to be on the eyelids. So I'm going to first start with showing you guys my personal favorites. There are 3 primers that I'm currently really liking. Is the Rare Beauty eye primer, which I really like. I think it's perfect for if you have drier skin. And it's just really nice. It's really lightweight as well. Then we have the Hindash primer, which is really nice. I think this one is perfect for if you have oily skin because it's super long lasting, and this has this more of a liquidy finish, but it dries. And then we have the MAC Cosmetics Soft Ochre Paint Pot, which has been my favorite for years and years. But if you have drier skin, you might not like it, but it's because it's quite a dry consistency. But it's my personal favorite, so I'm going to use it for today's video. And I'm using a Sigma Beauty brush to apply it. I will link the name in the description bar together with a discount code. But this is a really nice brush to apply this particular primer. So I'm going to apply it all over the eyelid, and what a primer does, it removes the redness from the eyelids, and it's also going to make your eyeshadow more long lasting. If you wouldn't use a primer, like your skin is naturally a bit more oily, and especially the eyelids, so if you apply eyeshadow on it, it's going to crease more easily and just not stay flawless for a long period. So it also makes your eyelid more flawless because we all naturally have like veins on the eyelid, redness, and this will just leave a nice clean canvas for your eyeshadow, which is really important because you wouldn't start like painting on a dirty paper. So yeah, that's definitely key to why you should use a primer. And after that, I like to use a little bit of powder, just a very tiny bit, just to lock everything in place. It's optional, you don't have to do it, but I always do it. And here you can see the before priming, and here you can see the after, and it's just nice because it removed all the redness from the eyelids, and it just looks nice and clean for eyeshadow. Then here I'm going to show you what would happen if you use no primer. You just go straight in with eyeshadow. You can still see those redness on the eyelid, and you know, it just doesn't look really clean. I mean, it's not bad, but I would say like if you don't have a lot of time, you don't necessarily have to go in with the primer, but just use a little bit concealer. That will make a difference as well. So you can see how it looks after the eyeshadow without a primer. I mean, it's not the worst, but now I'm going to show you how it looks with the primer and the comparison. First of all, I feel like the product just blends more beautifully because you already have kind of like a layer underneath. So everything just fades more easily. And like I said, you don't have any redness and all of that. So your eye look is going to look way more clean in comparison. And that's of course what you want. So here you can see how it looks with the primer, and here you can see the comparison. So yeah, I know it's an easy, quick tutorial, but I hope this was helpful. And let me know if you want to see more of these shorter tips kind of videos. Let me know in the comments, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye guys!